Welcome to this video on the ZLK38AVS demonstration kit. In this video, we'll be looking at the kit components and assembling the hardware. The kit is shipped with the ZLE38AVS board, plastics to hold the speaker and boards, and plastic standoffs. You will need to supply a Raspberry Pi and power supply, an SD card for the Raspberry Pi, and finally a JBL clip speaker. The ZLE38AVS board has 4 microphones on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4. An audio jack to connect up to the speaker. And finally, the ZL38AVS audio processor. Let's assemble the kit. So we'll start by putting the Raspberry Pi onto the plastics, with the main header towards the front. So we'll simply put the two nuts and screws down the front here. And the standoffs on the side closest to the USB, HDMI, and audio connector here. And now we'll add the ZLE38AVS board and the 2 screws to hold it down. And now we'll put the JBL clip speaker in. So what we do is we just put a little bit of a twist in and insert it down. And the audio jack goes into the ZLE38AVS board, not the Raspberry Pi. So now we'll add our other cables here. We've got our Ethernet jack, our keyboard, and our mouse. And then finally we have our HDMI cable. We also will need our power supply and our SD card. However, we will wait for that until we have installed the software onto the SD card. So now we're ready to move on to installing software. Thanks.